This is Abdulaziz Khatak, editor of OGN Energy magazine. We are at BPDC MENA 2026, and joining me now is Luis Rojas, senior engineer and an independent consultant now. Luis, thank you so much for joining.
Thank you. Thank you very much for inviting me.
Interview. Can you tell us something about your background?
Yes, I'm a senior process engineer. I have 2 decades of experience divided in the main oil and gas company of Venezuela and Saudi Aramco. So I joined MENA as an independent consultant and supporting worldwide companies to troubleshoot and fix issues that they may have. Yeah.
Okay. Speaking of fixing issues, you were at the on one of the panels at BPDC MENA.
Yes.
I think the name was Balancing Profitability versus Sustainability. Can you tell us something about what you guys discussed?
Yes. The core challenge we are all facing now is how to extract more value from residue streams while meeting tightening in sustainability constraint. My perspective as senior process engineer is that the opportunity isn't theoretical, it's operational. With the right FCC severity strategy, hydroprocessing and integration, and catalyst lifecycle management, refineries can save margin today while building credible pathway toward lower emissions and sustainability feedstocks.
Okay, so at the end of
circular
sure. Okay, so at the end of the discussion, what were the key takeaways of the?
The key takeaway is that the refineries can focus now in energy efficiency. For instance, hydrogen optimization and reliability. Focus in what you can control now. Identify better catalysts for the system, so more selective catalysts will help you to last longer the cycle length of the reactors. So this is translated that you will reduce the severity of your units, and at the end you will have a better emissions. I mean, you will save both things, emissions and cost for the refinery.
So realistically speaking, how much do you think that refiners can make use of the current technology? And to what extent can they improve sustainability or profitability?
Yes, the thing is that it depends on the budget, right? It depends on how much availability of go further. The concur of the panelists yesterday was that if you focus in your system setup, like optimizing your current process, you will be able to get better improvement of the revenue, maybe up to 30%. However, I mean, it's something that is going to be gradually introduced. What new technologies is each case has to be evaluated individually. I can tell you as manager, if I have enough budget to go immediately with sustainability, definitely I would try to go, but the decision is taken based on numbers. So,
but considering also that the oil and gas industry in general is very conservative when it comes to incorporating new technology, how do you see refiners, especially in the Middle East, adopting new technology? Are they open to that idea, or how do you see that?
Definitely, I would say that they are open to introduce new technology, and I think that from my perspective, my experience as scientist as well, I would say that the key is the scale. You need to test in labs.
Yeah.
Use I would say pilot plants. Use a scale batch plants to test and to prove this concept. As I said at the beginning, basically that will be the way to build credible pathway, and you will need to demonstrate that is profitable. Otherwise, the project at the end later will be live apart.
Okay, so refining or the refiners or refining industry, in terms of sustainability, do they want to be sustainable just because it is a policy in somewhere in certain markets, or does it actually bring some value?
Honestly, sustainable is a mandate worldwide now. So, and also personally, separate from my profession, is something that we all want. We want a better place to live. So if you focus on sustainability, less emission will be is immediately translated to less harm to our world, shall I say? But
in terms of value as well, right?
But that's why the topic was balancing. Can you do that? Yes, we can do that. Maybe like solutions with sustainability will be to start introducing circular feeds in different percentage that the unit can tolerate. But as I said, the best action for now is optimize your current process.
Sure.
That will help you to increase your margin of revenue in with what you have, but really focusing in optimizing and
the start of
efficiency.
The start of optimizing is the first thing to do, and then you can look into the other avenue.
Definitely, yes. So I don't think so that in terms of sustainability will be there is a direction specifically people or refineries in overall, they don't want to lose money, you know.
Of course.
So if the number that doesn't justify a huge revamp in the unit and changes, it won't be succeed.
Sure.
So the idea of that or the challenge the world have is to find this balance that you know that is good for the humanity, but at the end is not affecting your bucket. You know, that's what I would say.
Yes. So do we have technology or processes that actually improve sustainability?
From my perspective, my experience, yes. There are many licensors, like they are actually offering robust catalyst systems that they can trap different contaminants and can process different type of feed, mixture of them in different percentage, of course, to avoid operational issues. But definitely the auctions are wide between licensors, and as I said before, we have to study each case individually in terms of economics.
Sure. Luis, thank you so much for speaking to OGN.
Yes, thank you very much for inviting me.
Yeah, great.
Yes, thank you.